Chicken chive gyoza, my go-to dim sum. Chives? Garlic chives.
You say gyoza, I say pot sticker, maybe dumpling, pierogi, empanada. No matter what you call it, it always ends with yum.
Ground chicken. I love me some lean protein. There's something therapeutic about the process of making dumplings. I love it for like a chill evening in, or even a romantic date night, with wine, of course. First it steams, then it fries. One pan, 2 steps. Speaking of trying new things, chili crisp. It's made with chilies, peanuts, and crunchy garlic. This smells amazing. Spicy. See? Now they fry. Look at that color. Fresh green onions. Is it just me, or do they smell exactly like spring? Fun to make, even more fun to eat. My chicken chive gyoza, I'm mom's favorite now.